10 best healthy power foods for losing weight and boosting your health. Are you ready to discover the ultimate foods to help you lose weight, stay energized, and feel amazing? In today's video, we'll explore 10 incredible foods that not only accelerate weight loss, but also enhance your overall health. These aren't fads. They're nutrient-packed, scientifically backed options that can help you hit your health goals faster. Let's dive in. Chia seeds are one of the most effective weight loss foods because of their unique ability to absorb water and expand in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Weight loss benefits. High fiber content, 10 grams per 2 tablespoons, aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and stabilizes blood sugar. The omega-3 fatty acids they contain help reduce inflammation, which can indirectly support weight loss by improving metabolic function. Their ability to form a gel-like consistency in liquid slows digestion, which helps reduce hunger and prevents overeating. How to use them: smoothies. Blend into fruit or green smoothies for added nutrition. Pudding. Mix with plant-based milk and let it set overnight, then top with fresh fruits. Energy drinks. Combine with water, lemon, and honey for a hydrating, filling drink. Extra tip: add chia seeds to soups and sauces as a natural thickener while boosting the fiber content. Eggs are not only a perfect protein source, but also contain essential vitamins and minerals that support weight loss by boosting metabolism and energy levels. Weight loss benefits. High protein content keeps you full longer and reduces the urge to snack between meals. Contains essential nutrients like vitamin D, which can regulate hormones linked to weight management. Rich in choline, which aids fat metabolism and liver health, supporting overall weight loss efforts. How to use them. Breakfast. Pair with leafy greens for a nutrient-dense start to the day. Snacks. Keep hard-boiled eggs handy for a quick, high-protein snack. Dinners. Use eggs as a protein topping on roasted vegetables or grain bowls. Pro tip: studies suggest eating eggs in the morning can reduce calorie consumption throughout the day. Avocados may be calorie-dense, but they're packed with nutrients and healthy fats that actively support weight loss. High monounsaturated fat content, particularly oleic acid, promotes fat burning and reduces abdominal fat. Contains potassium, which reduces water retention and bloating. The combination of healthy fats and fiber keeps you full longer, curbing unnecessary snacking. How to use them. For breakfast, mash onto whole grain toast and top with a sprinkle of chia seeds. As a snack, make guacamole with lime and cilantro for a nutrient-packed dip. For dinners, use avocado slices as a topping for tacos or grain bowls. Extra insight. Studies show that people who eat avocados regularly tend to have a lower body weight and waist circumference. Green tip bananas, with their high resistant starch content, are a great option for those aiming to burn fat and improve gut health. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria and supporting a healthy microbiome. It promotes fat oxidation, enabling the body to burn stored fat for energy. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes and subsequent fat storage. How to use them. For breakfast, slice into oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber-packed start to your day. In smoothies, blend with spinach and protein powder for a balanced meal. For baking, use as a substitute for sugar in muffins and cakes. The less ripe the banana, the higher the resistant starch content, which enhances its weight loss benefits. Salmon is an excellent protein source, but its real superpower lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate metabolic processes and support fat loss. Omega-3 fatty acids improve insulin sensitivity, reducing fat storage and increasing fat burning. High-quality protein preserves muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a high metabolic rate. It's also rich in vitamin D, which is linked to improved weight loss outcomes and reduced belly fat. How to use it. Grilled. Season with lemon and dill for a simple yet delicious dinner. In salads, flake cold salmon into mixed greens with a light vinaigrette. For meal prep, cook in bulk and portion for the week with steamed veggies and quinoa. Extra tip: wild-caught salmon is lower in toxins and higher in nutrients compared to farmed varieties. Grass-fed beef is a lean, nutrient-dense option for weight loss that helps maintain muscle mass while promoting fat burning. Weight loss benefits. Rich in CLA, which studies suggest aids in reducing body fat, provides a complete amino acid profile, essential for muscle repair and recovery. High in iron and zinc, boosting energy levels and supporting an active lifestyle. How to use it. Steak. Grill with a side of roasted vegetables for a satisfying dinner. Ground beef. Use in lettuce wraps or stuffed peppers for a low-carb meal. Stews. Slow cook with root vegetables for a hearty, nutrient-packed dish. Pro tip: stick to portion control, as even lean cuts of beef are calorie-dense. Blueberries are more than a sweet treat. They're a powerful ally in weight loss thanks to their antioxidant and fat-burning properties. Weight loss benefits. Anthocyanins, the antioxidants responsible for their blue color, help reduce inflammation and promote fat metabolism. Low in calories but high in fiber, making them a filling, nutrient-rich snack. Enhance fat oxidation during exercise, making them a great addition to pre-workout meals. How to use them: breakfast. Toss into oatmeal or yogurt for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Smoothies. Blend with spinach, banana and almond milk for a refreshing drink. Snacks. Freeze for a simple cooling treat in hot weather. Extra insight. Blueberries have also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, reducing fat storage over time. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to keeping hunger at bay and supporting weight loss. High in healthy fats which stabilize blood sugar and prevent overeating. Packed with protein to maintain muscle mass and boost calorie burning. Fiber aids digestion and prolongs feelings of fullness. How to use them. Combine almonds, walnuts, and dried cranberries for a portable snack. Spread almond butter on whole grain toast or apple slices. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on salads or soups for added crunch. Pro tip: stick to a handful, about 1 ounce, to avoid consuming excess calories. Beans and lentils are a must-have for anyone aiming to lose weight while enjoying nutrient-packed, satisfying meals. These plant-based protein staples are low in calories and high in essential nutrients. High fiber content helps regulate digestion, promotes satiety, and prevents overeating. Low glycemic index stabilizes blood sugar, reducing energy crashes and cravings. Rich in plant-based protein, which supports muscle retention and aids fat burning. How to use them. Create a hearty bean chili with black beans, kidney beans, and lentils for a warming, filling meal. Toss chickpeas or lentils into fresh greens for a protein boost. Blend red lentils into soups for a creamy texture and added nutrients. Pro tip: soak beans overnight before cooking to improve digestibility and reduce cooking time. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are the cornerstone of any weight loss-focused diet. These nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods are incredibly versatile and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. High water and fiber content adds volume to meals, keeping you full with minimal calories. Rich in antioxidants that combat inflammation, promoting better metabolic health. Contain essential nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, and iron to support overall wellness. How to use them. Build nutrient-packed salads with greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Blend spinach or kale into fruit smoothies for an extra nutrient punch. Sauté kale with garlic and olive oil for a quick, healthy side. Extra tip: rotate your greens. Try arugula for a peppery kick or Swiss chard for a milder taste. There you have it. 10 incredible foods that are not only delicious but also proven to help with weight loss and boost your overall health. From chia seeds to leafy greens, these options are packed with nutrients that fuel your body, curb cravings, and help you reach your fitness goals. Now it's your turn. What will you add to your plate this week? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. Ready to take your health to the next level? Check out our other videos for more actionable strategies to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.